The relocation process is underway for more than 100 Shreveport residents forced to leave their apartments because the owners broke the law. The Community Development Department of Shreveport has called in state and federal agencies to assist the many residents of the Jolie, Villa Norte, and Pines apartments find new housing. The company that owns some of the apartments, Amar Shreveport Holdings LLC, face criminal charges for blight of property and owe hundreds of thousands of dollars to the city of Shreveport for not paying their water bills. As a result, the city is shutting off the water at these apartments and the tenants must leave. Property Standards made several tours of the apartments and described them to city council members as substandard living, not suitable for citizens. And several of the buildings at these apartments will be demolished. The director of community development, Bonnie Moore, says the need is greater than they originally thought. They thought about 60 renters would be displaced, but once they visited the apartments, they realized it's more than 100 people. Moore says besides government agencies and nonprofits, she was happily surprised to receive an outpouring of support from people in the community, people offering their extra bedrooms, and a local moving company offering to move the tenants' belongings free of charge.
We had one lady called and she didn't want to talk to anybody with me, and she wanted to offer 2 bedrooms to someone that needed help, and I thought that was just amazing. We've garnered support from the one employer willing to aid their tenants that are living at the Jolie apartments for tenant relocation process, and I think they have upward of 15 employees living there, and that's unprecedented in anything that I've ever done.
A meeting was held today with the Shreveport Housing Authority, Housing and Urban Development, the United Way, Hope Connections, and the Providence House to help the displaced residents. They compiled a list of 80 other apartments in Shreveport-Bossier with about 200 vacancies. Financial assistance is also being factored for these residents. City Council is looking to allocate $65,000 for relocation assistance.